Choosing between Hardhat and Truffle, two popular development frameworks for Ethereum smart contracts, depends on your specific needs and preferences. Hardhat, known for its speed, flexibility, and robust testing capabilities. Hardhat is a popular choice for developers who prioritize rapid development cycles and comprehensive testing. It is a powerful tooling, including the Hard Hat network for local development and the Hard Hat runtime environment for interacting with contracts. Makes it ideal for building complex smart contract applications. Its focus on testing and a strong emphasis on security make it a great choice for projects requiring rigorous testing and validation. Truffle, on the other hand, offers a more comprehensive and mature framework that includes a wide range of features for managing projects, deploying contracts, testing, and interacting with the blockchain. Its ease of use and well documented features make it a good choice for beginners or developers who prefer a more structured and guided approach. Truffle's focus on development and the rich ecosystems of plugins and integrations make it suitable for projects that need comprehensive development workflow. Overall, the best choice depends on your individual needs. If you are a seasoned developer prioritizing speed and comprehensive testing, Hard Hat is a great option. If you're a beginner or prefer a more structured framework, Truffle might be a better fit. It is also worth exploring both frameworks to see which one aligns better with your development style and project requirements.